Okay, hi everyone, thank you so much for joining us. We are live at the event of the Inner Child and Shadow Work, and we've got some beautiful stalls with us. Today we're all kind of like greatly set up now, so just we're going to have a look around the room. So we're obviously working here and obviously displaying everything. And as people are starting to get ready, we're starting to move into the stalls. So again, we've got Lucy. So Lucy, what do you do, Lucy?
Wax melts, products, Mother's Day gifts, burgers,
beautiful, and obviously lots of beautiful gifts that you're displaying there. Obviously we're just setting up at this moment in time. So who we've got here? We've got Gelly's Cookies, absolutely. So again, obviously all these beautiful delicious and yummy free ones that we're going to get. I'm joking. So tell me a bit about you.
Well, we set this up in lockdown.
Okay.
The business in lockdown. He was a head chef, so he didn't work for 12 months. So kind of continued on.
Okay. They look absolutely delicious. Brilliant, yeah, and thank you so much as well for joining us as well. So yeah, sorry, I'm just filming you all. It's okay. Just give her a wave. There we go. Fantastic, cool, absolutely, thank you. And then we've got Kelsey, and you do
The Body Shop.
The Body Shop, and obviously we've got some, yeah, and we just obviously some amazing gifts. Obviously we've got a nice thing. I've actually got body butter on today. I've got to admit, I've got body butter. I am so in touch with my feminine side. I'm really happy. It's a coconut one as well. I'm not ashamed to say it. So who we got here?
Home Trend.
Home Trend, and your name is?
Linda.
Oh, Linda. Okay. So again, obviously we've got some beautiful gifts here. Obviously for Mother's Day as well. That all these gifts that can be purchased for as well. Do you do gift vouchers or anything like that? Okay, but you will be doing, won't you? There we go. Absolutely fantastic. And then we've got Nikki, and Nikki does. Well, I know what you do. It's just I'm just you introducing it, isn't it? Fantastic, absolutely. So, tell us a bit about Tropic.
It's all natural, vegan, cruelty-free, all
Okay, fantastic. Thank you. Absolutely beautiful stores that we've got at this moment in time, and then obviously we've got the table. Now we've got my mum. Hello. We've got Danny. Hello, and we've got Leisha as well, absolutely, all helping out. So obviously we do a bit of a raffle as well, which is kind of cool. Thank you, I'll have that in a minute. So again, obviously we've got all the booklets ready to go and things like that. And then we've got Heather's Holistic Healing with Heather. And then obviously we've got, absolutely, there's Gaz, say hello, thank you very much. And then hello, there we go. And obviously we've got here with all the crystals and incense, and wow, they're massive, them, aren't they, them sage. Absolutely, look at all these. Obviously that you know if you come down and you can purchase, and again for Mother's Day and stuff. And obviously I've already got a gift from your auntie. Yeah. You're not very happy, are you? And I don't know where Sarah's gone, but we're just going to show you Sarah's as well. So Sarah's is aromatherapy, and it's absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much everyone for all things. So we've got all this from Sarah. Sarah is a Bohemian holistics, and again she's a healer as well, which is absolutely fantastic. And again she does all that. You can smell the wafts of it. It's unbelievable. But yeah, absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much for all your good looks and obviously all your well wishes and everything. So yeah, it's absolutely brilliant. So we just thought we'd pop this on, introduce you, like I say. We're all ready to go. Obviously we've got all these seats to fill, which is going to be brilliant, absolutely. But yeah, so if you haven't already booked on, please book them. Pardon? I forgot who on? No? So anyway, yeah, so sorry, it's just my dad. So my dad's just popped in. Yeah, so it's fantastic. It's going to be a great evening. If you haven't got your ticket already, you can still book it online or you can pay at the door. There is, obviously, we've got card machine facilities and so is everyone else. Thank you so much, Carol, for obviously, yeah, absolutely, it's going to be brilliant. Can't wait to deliver this. It's going to be really, really fascinating and interesting, very emotional as well, obviously putting this together. So, like I say, I'm going to stop prattling on and see you all later when you come through that door. Oh, are you watching here, your mother? So all right, so my mother then decides that she's going to start watching my live on this. Yes, I'm watching you, mother, absolutely. Is that what you are? See you soon, Janet. It's going to be brilliant, absolutely. Angie Butler, thank you as well. And then we've got, like I say, oh, Nikki's just taking shots there, aren't she, for her page as well, so it's cool, absolutely. Doors are opening in 5 minutes, guys. Show starts at 7:30, but it gives you that chance just to come around and obviously, you know what I mean, get those beautiful Mother's Day gifts. Yeah, obviously, you know what I'm saying? I know obviously with cookies, but obviously you can always just fill up with cookies, can't you? Because I think everyone can just fill up with cookies, especially with Gelly's cookies, because they're proper delicious. Or they're going to be, I'm telling you. And then we're
taking a box home.
Are we?
Yes.
Is that what we're doing? Yeah, so there you go. There's Lucy in there. Absolutely. See you. Absolutely. See you all shortly. Take care for now. Bye. Whoever sent those beautiful stars, thank you so much. John at Slate. Yeah, of course it is. Of course we're live. Where else do you think you're going to be? Hey? See you all soon. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Namaste, beautiful family. Thank you so much. Is your inner child coming out to play today? Thank you so much. This is just something I wanted to do to thank every single one of the amazing people that came last night to the event. It was absolutely fantastic, very vibrant, very prompting, as I was told. I want to thank everyone, all of you, for your amazing comments on the feeds. It's been absolute, honestly, thank you so much. I know it's a bit of an early one, and I don't normally do early ones, do I? But I can't thank everyone enough for all your help as well, for my mum and dad, for Alicia, especially obviously Danny as well, for what you did. Everyone that turned up, and the stall holders were absolutely bloody amazing. I'm still trying to curb it down. But yeah, absolutely, everyone really had an amazing time. Thank you so much for all your fantastic comments. Really looking forward to the pictures, obviously, that Yana took. So it's absolutely brilliant. And again, like I say, it's thanks for the love arts, Alicia, and thank you for your help as well last night. Everyone had a ball. It was a laugh. But again, a lot of people telling me it was very thought prompting, and obviously understanding about the inner child and about how we operate, and obviously with the shadow side as well. So it's like I say, it's just a quick video because obviously there. Thanks Lisa, it means a lot, it really does. Oh, thank you so much, Rebecca. I'm really glad you enjoyed it too as well. Just obviously your quick comments. Bit of a busy day today. Well, not busy, but do you know what I mean? But it's going to be fantastic with so much healing. But like I said, I just wanted to come on. Thank you, Lynn. Obviously, your comments, obviously everything is really positive. And yeah, we're looking forward to the next one also, which is going to be brilliant. But we're going to do that beginning of May. We're going to have a little bit of a break because obviously everything has been absolutely rammed, and there's so much to do for the next one. Heather, thank you so much. Obviously, you had an amazing time with your crystals. And like I say, with everyone that came, the stall holders were absolutely fantastic. Heather with the crystals, or Zara with aromatherapy, or Nicola, and also, you know, the cookies were delicious, by the way, with everyone. If everyone bought the cookies, absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, absolutely, the homeware was beautiful. The wax melts were brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. The vibration in the room was amazing. It was kind of like catching a lot of people in the headlights with the things that we talked about, which were kind of like, I think Alicia said the highlight of the night was when the Ring doorbell went off, which is kind of funny, wasn't it? Do you know what I mean? It was like, okay, brilliant. But yeah, so pleased that everyone took so much information, and again, took away. But again, always letting your beautiful inner child out, you know, let it come out to play. Let's start new, fresh. Let's move it forward. Yeah, absolutely brilliant. So, like I say, it's just a quick impromptu live. I was going to record it, But it's such a beautiful day as well, isn't it? It's so gorgeous out there. But I'm in here for a short while in my room, so it's beautiful. But I'm going to get out there and be doing some beautiful bathing in the glorious sunshine, maybe a bit of gardening. Thank you, Eric. Honestly, really, really, absolutely beautiful to meet you last night as well, Eric. Absolutely fantastic. Sorry again. I always say that what I'll always try to do is try and curb it, and you know what I mean by curbing it. But sometimes it comes out the way it does, and I'd rather be, like say, natural than be a fake. But I do try my best with everything that we do, and that's all we're asking for from you guys as well. Like I say, it's up to you guys to do your own, you know, your own inner healing as well, because this is what it's about, and that's what last night was about, doing, you know, understanding how to do your inner healing. Thank you, Carol. Absolutely, it was a fantastic night. It really was. But like I was saying, doing that inner healing, understanding you. More than anything, it was about understanding you. Thank you, Diane. It was absolutely brilliant seeing you there as well. Mr. Denton, thank you so much. I know I haven't used a computer. We're just constant prompting on the old iPhone again. Hi, Mandy. Thank you for joining as well. But yeah, I can't thank you all enough for your continued and amazing support that we do on these nights. It really is. Thank you, Mandy. Really does it. I really do appreciate all your positive comments, because sometimes when you do this and you think, ooh, do you know what I mean? But it went off and we had a laugh and we had a lot of dancing and it was good. But also, I can't express that it was very, very internally prompting as well about how we are, and again, what we bring forward into our present moment, because that's what it's all about. We managed to get away about 10:30 last night by the time everything packed up. So everyone that helped with, you know, putting the chairs away and stuff like that, thank you so much. Good morning. Thank you again, Lorraine. Absolutely brilliant. I'm really pleased that you had a fantastic night. I need to get that mic fixed. Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. So I had that. Do you know what I mean? I can't even remember that word it was doing. Was it pity you? I think it was like, pity you. So I'm definitely gonna speak to the obviously me about obviously trying to get my words out more than anything. But it was fantastic. So enjoy your amazing day. Enjoy the sunshine. Enjoy the weather. Clocks go forward, by the way. Clocks go forward an hour on Sunday. So again, lighter, brighter night. So again, people that are suffering with SAD or seasonal affective disorder, you know what I mean? You're going to have lighter night. It's going to be nice. Lots and lots of positivity as well. But again, please don't forget, obviously, that you need that healing with the inner child is most important. So it's going to be absolutely, you know, this is what it's all about in essence. And now I'm starting to stutter my words. So it's cool. I'm going to let you all go, because obviously I've got a bit of this day to do. Enjoy your amazing day, really. I can't stress that enough to you. And I'll catch you all very, very soon. And thanks for joining me on this live. And I will obviously speak to some of you all later. Namaste to you all. Bye for now. I'll press that button. Press the button.